Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are cooking githeri. You can see the ingredient. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. So we're cooking onions there. You can see us cooking. Then we put oil. You know it's good to first cook onion. Then you cook it well. You make it well. You wait it for it to cook. Then you put nyanya. That is tomatoes. You cook them well nicely. After you have chopped them nicely, you continue cooking until they are fine like that. Yeah, you can see they're so fine. I should be a chef. Then you put hoho, all of them according to the amount of food that you're going to cook. All of them you see there. I have also roiko, but I'm not going to put it right now. So you mix like that as you still continue cooking. You mix until they are fully mixed. Yeah, you see they look so nice. Yeah, next you put the roiko cubes. I'm going to put 2 roiko cubes. Yeah, put in the roiko. Then I have to mix again. Then I have my onions, my tomatoes, no, my potatoes there and carrots. So I'm putting them here. All of them. After I have washed and peeled them nicely and chopped them, then I cover so that they can absorb the onions and the tomatoes. You can see I'm cooking. Yeah, I should be a chef. Then you put your githeri there. Yeah, after you have it's pre-boiled already, then you put a glass of water. Then you mix like that. Then you put soil. I bless you, soul. I bless you, I bless you. You put until the spirits tell you stop. Yeah. I don't know how to know the amount of salt to put. So yeah, after you have put the salt, then you mix again. You have your Dania there, but you're not going to put it right now. After you mix it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Then you cover so that the githeri can cook well. Then you mix like that. After it's almost ready, you put your Dania there. Yeah, all of it nicely like that. Then you mix. Oh yeah, we are done. Then you reduce the fire. Then you cover your githeri and you're ready to go. That's how you cook your githeri. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. I love you guys. Thank you.